Hello, everybody. Floppy Hat Photos back here again for one of my 52 new restaurants in 2018. And today's new restaurant is a place called Fred's Market. It's over in, I don't know, Longwood, I think, maybe somewhere. It's over in Orlando area somewhere on the way between us and Disney. And we were on our way over to Disney. We decided to stop in there and have a breakfast buffet. It's $10, I think it is, 9.98 whatever per person, and then whatever you get for a drink. They also offer, I think, for $9, they offer 8.98 whatever. They offer a single trip plate. It's like you have a blue plate, whatever, and then you're not allowed to go back up again after that. So there's really, I think, it'd be pretty hard to monitor if they had that situation if you were giving somebody food off the other ones and whatnot, especially at a table of like six. It'd be hard to pay attention to, but it's a damn dollar more. Just buy the regular thing and not have to worry about feeling like you want to taste something else somebody got that you didn't fit on your plate. So it was a breakfast buffet. So there's pancakes, there's some French toast, there's some fake eggs, which tasted pretty good. There's fake eggs with cheese, which tasted even better. Bacon, like every buffet, is always overcooked. Sausage, a little overcooked. Biscuits and gravy. Just everything was good. Nothing was phenomenal. I would not by any means say, "Oh, you have to go try this here." Everything was just good. It was not great, but it's $10 for all you can eat buffet on your way to Disney, so you cannot find a better meal. That's all you can eat for breakfast. You're just gonna be able to stuff yourself and then be able to hope you don't get sick when you go ride the very first ride. Literally within 45 minutes of eating all this food, Tower of Terror. Not the funnest thing to do. I think Karen was really being very rude to me in that process, but it is what it is. She had a fast pass booked, and we got there like right after we got to the park. It was kind of funny. So nothing happened. It was just one of those things that happened. So, but no, it's a great little place. I want to go check out their lunch or dinner buffet sometime. I don't know what their prices are for that, but friendly service, very kind, very just down homey type feel. An old like apron sink right by the end of the buffet for you to wash your hands in, which was really cool. So you don't have to go all the way off to the bathroom and stuff and wait in that line or slow down the bathroom. People want to use it for the tourists next, so it gets pretty busy. And if you just want to wash your hands before you get to the buffet, it's a pretty cool little setup. They had some fresh fruits and vegetables. Apple sauces, they had some yogurts, they had some cereal and whatnot, just little things like that, which worked out really well. Overall, like I said, hash browns, there was just normal food. A good, they had a really good, like, hash browns were good. They had some scalloped potatoes, they had different stuff. That was overall just a fine meal. Like, it was definitely something we will definitely go try again. So, but yeah, happy with it. Called Fred's Market. If you're looking for a cheap place to fill your family up before you go spend the day at the park or after a day at the park, and you're on a budget and you don't want to go out and spend $50 a piece at some fancy restaurant, swing by Fred's Market. You're gonna be satisfied. You're not gonna like write home like this is the best meal ever, but it was just a good, friendly service, and the staff was everything from there was some 20-year-olds up to some 60-year-olds that were waiting tables and bussing tables. So it's kind of cool to see a full age group of staff too, which is something you don't usually see in most restaurants. So, but yeah, that's all we have for today. I will talk to you all soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and be sure you get out there and check out some new restaurants like we're doing again this year. It gets boring to eat at the same place over and over again all the time. So definitely excited about that and trying new places. So have a good one. Take care.